So I am here at Michael's. I decided to pop into this location. I had an appointment over here, so I haven't been here in a while. Let's see if they are doing any better than the Michael's that I normally go to. This is actually a bigger store, so maybe they're doing better. Oh, right as you walk in the door, here is the hot pie section. It looks pretty much the same. Remember this one.
A little thing to feel better when you see that.
Pretty nice. I've noticed that they don't have the new sticker books. And let's see, this Southern Blues. I haven't seen those, nor have I seen the new washi tape. Let's see if they have it here. Nope. It's the same old, same old. Okay, let's look around some more. I don't know, it's just the overall excitement of shopping in Michael's is gone. Pretty empty. There's really nothing much to look at in here. Yeah. Kind of sorry that I stopped now. I had higher hopes than this. I'm sorry, but this clearance just looks like a bunch of trash to me. Now that paint is interesting. It's metallic paint. But no. Craft storage 40% off. Let's see. Let's finish the clearance. Okay, so here's some lantern stuff on clearance. Okay, so I guess that's pretty much it. This is seasonal coming up, but again, this store is usually, all of this is usually filled with displays, especially this big empty area here, and there's nothing. I see very little Halloween anything. This big empty space. More empty space. Okay. I hope I didn't make you too dizzy. I'm out of here. There's nothing. Thank you. So, bye-bye to the big Michaels. I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.